Hi y'all. I wanted to just give you a quick walkthrough on how you can use Stemscopes to fill out your fur models and your vocabulary the easy way. So we're going to start first by opening up our virtual notebook. So you're going to go to your drive, you're going to do a search for your virtual notebook, and you're going to go ahead and open that up. You're going to find your blank fur model, wherever that may be. Mine is the fourth slide down, and mine says force, but it used to say blank fur model. And then I'm going to go ahead and open my Stemscopes assignment. So the easy way to do this is you're going to come in here, you're going to open up your Stemscopes assignment, and then if you scroll down a little bit to student handout, you're going to click to download that PDF. You don't have to do it this way. You could type it in by hand, but this kind of makes it easier. So, all right. So we're going to go ahead and, why aren't you opening for me? Why aren't you opening for me? All right. I'm working on it here. There it goes. All right. Sorry about that. Okay. So if you download it into a PDF, you can actually copy and paste directly from the PDF as opposed to typing it by hand, which of course you could type it by hand. But first we're going to go ahead back. So now we have our PDF open and we also have our notebook open. We're going to go back to our notebook. We're going to go to our fur model, our blank, and we're going to duplicate slide. So we're going to come over here. We're going to right click. We're going to duplicate slide. When you're on your Chromebook, that's a double tap. You could do that way. All right. So now we're going to grab that. We're going to bring it all the way down to the bottom. And we're going to drop it at the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead and rename it first. So this is going to be renamed to sun, moon, and earth systems. This is going to be what we're going to be focusing on the next little while. Right, now that I've renamed it, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it a bunch of times. Duplicate, I'm going to do it 10 times. Duplicate, 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 duplicate. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. I'm going to start at the beginning right here, that top one that I just did. I'm going to go back to that PDF that I downloaded from Stemscopes. My first word is axis, A-X-I-S. And the reason why I like to use the PDF is from here, I can highlight it, right-click copy, and then go back to my virtual notebook, and I'm going to click it here, and I'm going to right-click paste without formatting, and then I don't have to type it by hand. I'm going to go ahead and type my vocabulary word in here. All right, so we're going to do that one more time. I'm going to go to our next slide. We're going to go to our next word, cyclic patterns. Cyclic patterns is a phenomenon or process that involves multiple steps and repeats itself. So we're going to go back here. I'm going to go here. Paste without formatting, because if you paste with formatting, it makes it really big. All right, and this is cyclic pattern. Now, once you're finished with your vocabulary, putting your words, all of them in there with the words and definition, then you're going to go back and fill in the rest. So definition in your own words. Well, the axis says it's an imaginary line through the earth that extends to the North Pole or whatever. You're gonna put that in your own words. The axis is, I don't know, the middle line of the earth that rotates around. Again, this is your own words, so you don't have to do it just like me. Then from there, you're going to go to an illustration or example, and yes, you can use the one directly from Stemscopes, and then you're going to use it in a sentence. The earth revolves around its axis. All right, you're going to do that with all of your vocabulary words from your Stemscopes, and When you're done with that, you can come back here. You can play the game. You can tilt it back and forth. You can spin it back and forth, and that's all you have to do today. I know there's a lot of words, but I know you guys can do it. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.